Hi everyone. Here is the class, the basic of computer. Let's start the lesson about the introduction of the hardware. Computer can divide into two parts, hardware and software. Hardware is the real thing of computer. It also can divide into two parts, basic and attached. Some components in red are important. Let's talk about it. How can the computer work? You can imagine how the computer works is similar as human beings. Right? Yes. We will think what we are going to eat or what you should do next when using our brain. In the same, computer use chips called CPU to think and calculate. We have to eat food for getting energy to live. Also, the computer use battery to store electricity they need to work. What do you do if you want to tell other people something? You will talk. And if you want computer know what you want it to do, you have to use keyboard to make input. In contrast, how do you know what other people want you to do? Maybe is by their expressions or what they are saying. Similarly, the computer shows the result on the screen, which is their output device. If you want to learn more, please check the next video.